All right, so here we have question number 9709, October, November 2021, paper 3, variant 2. And this question is from the topic differential equations. This is worth 7 marks. So, a variables x and y satisfy the differential equation e raised to the power 2x multiplied by dy over dx is equals to 4xy square, and it is given that y is equals to 1 when x is equals to 0. Solve the differential equation obtaining an expression for y in terms of x. All right, so first of all, the equation is given to us in this form: e raised to the power 2x multiplied by dy over dx is equals to 4x y square. So what we are going to do, we are going to separate the variables first. So whatever the terms are in terms of x, whatever the variables are in terms of x, they will be uh, written along with dx, and whatever the variables are in terms of y, they will be written along dy. Okay, so we are going to separate the variables. So the easiest approach is that first just consider this dx and dy as terms. So what I can do is I can rearrange it like this: e raised to the power 2x divided by dx is equals to 4xy square divided by dy. Okay, but the thing is that along with dy we also have a term which is along with dy we have a variable which is in terms of x. So just shift this 4x on the left hand side. So this can be rewritten like this: e raised to the power 2x divided by 4x times dx equals to y square divided by dy. Okay, so now what we can do is we can reverse both of these fractions, so such that we can write 4x divided by e raised to the power 2x is multiplied by dx, and 1 over y square is multiplied by dy. So now we can say that 4x multiplied by e raised to the power minus 2x is integrated with respect to x, and we can say that y raised to the power minus 2 is supposed to be integrated with respect to y. So now here we can see that these are two terms. One is algebraic, one is exponential. So here we are going to use integration by parts, and this is just a simple integration of algebraic expression, but here the integration is with respect to y. All right, so far we have achieved this thing. Now just focus on 4x multiplied by e raised to the power minus 2x only, and we are going to use the formula of integration by parts. So just focus on this thing: integration of 4x multiplied by e raised to the power minus 2x with respect to x. So whenever you are doing integration by parts, the integrand is given to you in the form of u multiplied by v dash, and when you integrate this you will get uv minus integration of vu dash with respect to x. This formula is given to you in the formula sheet as well, and the proof of this is just the reverse process of differentiation of product rule, because when y is equals to u multiplied by v, so dy over dx is equals to uv dash plus vu dash. So since integration is the reverse process of differentiation, I can say that when we are integrating uv dash plus vu dash with respect to x, so we will be getting u multiplied by v. Okay, so this is exactly the same thing as saying I'm integrating uv dash with respect to x plus the integration of vu dash with respect to x. This will be equals to uv, as the integration is the reverse process of differentiation. So the question is given to you in the form of u multiplied by v dash with respect to x. Okay, so we are going to just make this subject u multiplied by v dash with respect to x. The integration of uv dash with respect to x is equals to uv minus integration of vu dash with respect to x. You don't actually need this proof. This formula is already given to you in the formula sheet. Okay, so just explaining the proof of it. So according to the late rule, the sequence late rule, first we have to take the term which is in log, then algebraic, then trigonometric, and then exponential. So according to the late rule sequence, u will be taken as 4x, and u dash will be equals to 4. So v dash will be taken as the exponential term. So v dash is equals to e raised to the power minus 2x. So if we integrate it, we will get v. So when e raised to the power minus 2x is integrated, so it will be a e raised to the power minus 2x divided by minus 2. Therefore, we can say that v is equals to minus 1 over 2 multiplied by e raised to the power minus 2x. So the sequence is uv minus integration of vu dash with respect to x. Okay, so 4x multiplied by minus 1 over 2 multiplied by e raised to the power minus 2x minus the integration of minus 1 over 2 e raised to the power minus 2x multiplied by 4 with respect to x. So first of all, we can actually simplify these terms. So 4 divided by 2 is 2. So I can say that minus 2x multiplied by e raised to the power minus 2x, and this minus signs are being multiplied together. So this becomes positive. Integration of 4 over 2 will be 2. So integration of, we can say that 2 is a constant term outside, multiplied by the integration of e raised to the power minus 2x with respect to x. Now we don't need the integration by parts again over here. This is just the standard integration of the exponential function. Okay, so minus 2x multiplied by e raised to the power minus 2x plus 2 is a constant term, and when we integrate e raised to the power minus 2x with respect to x, we will get e raised to the power minus 2x divided by minus 2, and then we have plus c. So minus 2x multiplied by e raised to the power minus 2x, and then when 2 is divided by minus 2, it will give you minus 1. So minus e raised to the power minus 2x and then plus c. So far we have integrated the variables with respect to x. Now this is just simple. Integrating y raised to the power minus 2 with respect to y. Integrating y raised to the power minus 2 with respect to y, which will give you y raised to the power minus 2 plus 1 upon minus 2 plus 1 and then plus c. So this is y raised to the power minus 1 divided by minus 1 and then plus c. This is minus 1 over y and then plus c. Okay, but when you are solving the differential equation, on one side you are integrating the terms with respect to x, on the other side you are integrating the terms with respect to y. So you have to add c on any one side. Okay, and the usual practice, okay, the more easier approach is just to add c on the right hand side of the equation. Wait, the screenshot is coming. Okay, so far we have achieved this thing, and what we were actually solving, we were actually about to integrate 4x multiplied by e raised to the power minus 2x with respect to x equals to integrating y raised to the power minus 2 with respect to y. And so far what we have achieved, minus 2x multiplied by e raised to the power minus 2x minus e raised to the power minus 2x, this is equals to minus 1 over y, and we are going to add c on the right hand side only. On the right hand side only. So here you go now. So the condition is that obviously we have to also find the value of c, and the condition is given to us that when y is equals to 1, x is equals to 0. When x is equal to 0, the corresponding value of y is equals to 1. So minus 2 multiplied by 0 multiplied by e raised to the power minus 2 times 0 minus e raised to the power minus 2 times 0 is equals to minus 1 over 1 and then plus c. So this whole term will be 0. So 0 and then minus e raised to the power 0. Any number raised to the power 0 is equals to 1. So 0 minus 1 is equals to minus 1 over 1 is 1. And then you have plus c. Therefore, c is equals to minus 1 plus 1. C is equals to 0. We have found the constant term. C is equals to 0. And so far what we have achieved is minus 2x multiplied by e raised to the power minus 2x minus e raised to the power minus 2x is equals to minus 1 over y, and c is 0. Now what we need to do is we need to find an expression. We need to obtain an expression for y in terms of x. We need to make y the subject. Okay. So I'm just doing the working in this box. I'm just making sure all of the working is on the same page. So y is equals to -1 divided by minus 2x times e raised to the power minus 2x minus e raised to the power minus 2x. I'm just going to erase this now. I hope you have copied, those who are watching. So what we can do over here is that we can take minus e raised to the power minus 2x as common in the denominator. We can factor it out. So -1 divided by taking minus e raised to the power minus 2x as common multiplied by 2x plus 1. And this minus sign and minus sign is cancelled out, and you are left with this thing 1 over e raised to the power 2x multiplied by 2x plus 1. This answer is also acceptable. 1 over e raised to the power minus 2x multiplied by 2x plus 1, or otherwise you can say y is equals to e raised to the power 2x, because this e raised to the power minus 2x is going in the numerator. According to the laws of indices, this will be e raised to the power 2x and then divided by 2x plus 1. Both of these forms are acceptable. So this question was worth 7 marks.